Good evening and welcome to the session 9 from the playlist of Assertion and Reasoning. The topic is the charging by induction, and based on this topic I have selected one question for this session, which is written here on this board. So this question consists of two parts. The first part is the assertion and the second part is the reason or the reasoning. Now assertion is a statement which is believed to be true, and in this question we have to find whether the assertion is correct or not, the reason is correct or not, and whether the reason or the reasoning is the correct explanation of assertion or not. So in this question there are four options. The first option is to be selected if the assertion and reasoning are correct and the reasoning is the correct explanation of assertion. And the B option is to be selected if assertion and reasoning are correct, but the reasoning is not the correct explanation of assertion. And C is that assertion is correct, but the reasoning is incorrect. And D option is to be selected when assertion is incorrect and the reasoning is correct. So in this question, the assertion is, on bringing a positively charged rod near an uncharged conductor, the conductor gets attracted towards the rod. So let us say this is one rod, this is one positively charged rod, and let us say this is one uncharged conductor. This is an uncharged conductor and this is the rod. So when I bring this rod near this conductor, then by induction, this side of this conductor, that is the side which is, let us say this rod, I am just depicting this rod as AB, and B is the face which is near to the face C of this conductor. So when I bring this rod towards this uncharged conductor, then this face C of the uncharged conductor, which is near this face B of this rod, gets negatively charged, or you can say this region C of this uncharged conductor becomes a negatively charged region due to the accumulation of negatively charged particles. And so what will happen then, because this is a negatively charged region and this is a positively charged rod, this face is positively charged, so what will happen, that the conductor will get attracted towards the rod. So this assertion is correct. Now let us come to the reason. Now, in the reason, it is written that the electric field lines of the charged rod are perpendicular to the surface of the rod. So, this is a positively charged rod. So, we know that the electrical field lines will be directed away from the rod and it will be perpendicular to it. It will be perpendicular to the surface of the rod and it will be directed away from the rod. So, this reason is correct. However, this reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion, because here the conductor, this uncharged conductor, is getting attracted to the rod due to induction. By induction, this face C of this uncharged conductor is getting negatively charged, and because this rod is positively charged, therefore this conductor gets attracted towards the rod. So this reasoning is not the correct explanation of assertion. However, the reasoning is correct. That is, the electrical field lines will be perpendicular to the surface of the rod and it will be directed away from it because it is a positively charged rod. So this reasoning is correct. The assertion is also correct. However, the reasoning is not the correct explanation of assertion. So here the option B is correct. That is, assertion and reasoning are correct, but the reasoning is not the correct explanation of A. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different topic from this chapter of electric charges and fields. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.